Follow these established approaches to support your weight reduction and overall health improvement. Scores of fad diets, schemes promising to help you lose weight, and outright frauds give fast and easy weight reduction. Nonetheless, the best strategy to lose weight and keep it off is to permanently alter your way of life. These positive changes call for daily increased activity and a well-balanced diet. These are 6 ideas to help you start your weight reduction path. 1. Make sure you are ready. Long-term weight reduction calls for time and work. Make sure you are ready to eat well and raise your level of activity. Think of these queries. Am I quite driven to change certain things by which I could shed weight? Am I too preoccupied with other requirements? Is food helping me to cope with stress? Am I set to find new methods of dealing with stress? To help me manage stress, do I need additional assistance, either from friends or medical experts? Are you set to change your physical activity and workout schedule? Can I use the time needed to carry out these adjustments? Lowering stress will help you to implement long-term, healthy lifestyle modifications. Seek inspiration from inside yourself. No one else can make you lose weight. You have to help yourself by changing your exercise and food. What will inspire you to stick to your weight reduction schedule? A list of reasons weight reduction matters to you. The list will help you stay motivated and focused. Maybe you want to get in shape for a vacation or enhance your health. Think about your aims on days when you'd rather not work out more or consume healthy foods. Look for supplementary techniques to follow as well. For instance, you could leave yourself an inspiring note on the refrigerator or pantry door. You are the one who needs to make the changes that lead to sustained weight loss. Having assistance from others, though, helps. Pick people among you who will inspire you. They ought never to stop your progress or embarrass you. It's best to seek for people who will give your concerns and feelings some consideration. Discuss your intention to lead a healthy lifestyle. Help you to develop good menus or participate in active hobbies with you. Your healthy changes can be helped to be maintained by your support network. If you want to keep your weight reduction plan secret, take some steps to stay on course. Keep a journal or app of your food and workouts. Monitor your weight simultaneously. Review your development and make changes as necessary. Set goals that are within reach. Aim for a weekly weight reduction of 1 to 2 pounds, which is about half to 1 kilogram over the course of years. Reaching that would need an approximately 500 to 750 calorie daily burn over your intake. One starting point might be a 5% reduction from your current weight. Weighing 180 pounds or 82 kilograms yields 9 pounds or 4 kilograms. Even this degree of weight loss could assist you to lower your risk for some persistent diseases. Among those conditions are heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It helps to delineate 2 kinds of goals. The first is called an action aim. You could name a good action you will utilize to lose weight. For instance, walk every day for 30 minutes is an action goal. The second type is called an outcome goal. You can list a decent outcome you wish to see. Lose 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms is an example of an outcome goal. An outcome goal is what your efforts yield. It does not, however, guide you there. Action objectives do. You set action goals to promote good transformation. Enjoy nutritious food. If you're looking to shed some pounds, you'll need to cut back on your overall calorie intake from food and drinks. But don't worry, your meals can still be tasty and easy to whip up. Incorporating more fruits, veggies, and whole grains into your diet can help you eat fewer calories. These foods, often referred to as plant-based, are packed with fiber and low in calories. Fiber keeps you feeling full, and there are plenty of plant-based options to help you reach your goals. Aim to eat at least 4 servings of vegetables and 3 servings of fruit each day. If you find yourself getting hungry between meals, snack on some fruits and veggies. Include whole grains like brown rice, barley, and whole wheat bread and pasta in your meals. Try to limit processed grains like white bread and rice. Use healthy fats such as olives, vegetable oils, avocados, nuts, nut butters, and nut oils. Just keep in mind that even healthy fats can be calorie dense. Cut back on foods and drinks with added sugars, like sodas, jams, and candies. Natural sugars from fruits are perfectly fine. Opt for fat-free or low-fat dairy products. Focus on whole foods. Processed foods often lack the nutrients that whole foods provide. Many processed items come in cans or boxes and typically have higher levels of fat, sugar, or salt. Being mindful while you eat is a smart approach. Take the time to savor each bite, which helps you appreciate the flavors and recognize when you're full. Try to avoid distractions like your phone or TV during meals, as they can lead to overeating without you even realizing it. Get involved, stay active. While it's possible to lose weight without exercising, it's definitely more challenging. Regular physical activity helps burn off those extra calories. Plus, exercise comes with a host of other benefits. It can boost your mood, lower blood pressure, and enhance your sleep quality. Staying active also helps you maintain the weight you've lost. Studies show that those who successfully keep off the weight tend to engage in regular exercise. Your exercise routine's frequency, duration, and intensity will play a key role in your success. Change your perspective. Just eating healthy and working out for a few weeks or months isn't enough. If you really want to keep the extra weight off, you need to make these healthy changes a permanent part of your life. It all starts with a genuine look at your daily routine and eating habits. Think about the negative patterns or challenges that have held you back from losing weight in the past. Then plan out how you'll tackle those issues moving forward. You're likely to hit some bumps in the road on your weight loss journey, but remember, if you stumble, Don't throw in the towel. Just pick yourself up and start fresh the next day. Keep in mind that you're on a path to transform your life. It won't happen overnight, but stick with your healthy lifestyle and you'll see some amazing results.